Hello friends, today we are going to solve quite a different question which is not having a L-shaped plate or a circular feature. Here you can see in a front view, top view or even in a 3D view, there is no L shape or you can say the circular feature. But it has a different features or you can say the combination of a slots, extrude features and the base plate. So let's start with the step-by-step approach to solve this kind of a questions. Now here they have mentioned figure shows front view and top view. So of course we are going with the first angle projection method. So this is the first front view and this is the top view. This is the front view and this is a top view of a bracket. Draw isometric view and show overall dimension. So just by looking at this figure, it is very much difficult to imagine the object. So I'll suggest you to go with the first calculation of the required isometric box. Now imagine this is the required isometric box. So first place the required views. So origin is given over here and the front view is on the right of the origin. Hence front view will appear over here and top view of course it will be here. These are the position of the given views. Now we'll come to the required dimensions. So front view base is 75 mm. So this length will be 75 mm and height is directly given to you, that is 40. So this dimension is 40. So front view this becomes 75 base and height as a 40. Now coming to the top view, if I consider this as a plane, so one side means these two sides are already calculated because this as a 75. So this is 75, this is 75. So we need another dimension of the top view. So that is 50. 75 by 50. Horizontal dimension is 75, vertical dimension is 50. So this becomes 50. And if this is 50, then this also becomes 50. So here you can see the front view is of 75 by 40 and top view is of 75 by 50. And because of this 50, this side becomes 50. So we need isometric box having basic 3 dimensions, that is 50, 75 and 40 mm. So complete this isometric box as per the given dimension. Now coming to the front view, so how to start? If you come across this kind of a question, always try to find the base shape of the object. It is nothing but the outline of the object. So you can see here, this is the outline of the object. Just see the position of the cursor. See outline, this boundary is the base shape of the object. So first we'll complete this base shape. Here, this base, so this I have darkened. And this is the vertical line, so I have darkened this vertical line. Now from origin I'll come 15 mm upwards, so this is 15 mm up. Then from this point I'll come 20 mm towards the origin. So from here towards the origin 20 mm. Now this inclined line, so join this inclined line to get the base shape from the front view. But this is not the actual front view. We are just completing the base shape. Now project all the points by 50 mm because this length is 50 mm. So we have to project this base shape by 50 mm. So project all the possible points like this one, 2, 3 and 4. So project all the points by 50 mm. Now join all the points similar to the first case. Same structure should be on the back surface of the given object. So you can see here, this is your basic shape of the given object, but this is not the actual object. We have to add feature, and to add the feature we need to remove some material. So let's start with this feature, this having an inclined surface and then the horizontal surface. If you project these 3 points, 1, 2 and 3 points, if you project this in the top view, so this point is nothing but this line. If you project this point, then this is the line. And if you project this point, so of course this continuous line. So one thing is very much clear that 1, 2 and 3 point, if I consider, then these are the 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 for this surface. Now it is 25 from the back surface. This point is nothing but this one. So from this, you have to plot a point at 25 mm. So from here, I'll plot a point at 25 mm. Now you can see here the same structure we have to draw at 25 mm, but only for this much surface. So you have to start from here parallel to this, come over here and then parallel to this. So you'll get another line over here. Now there is no need to draw this line because we are dealing with only this much surface. We need this surface. So first drop a vertical line from this point and then parallel to this, draw a line from this point. So you'll get an intersection with the first drawn vertical line. Now through this intersection point, draw parallel to these lines, till it intersect with this vertical. See, I repeat, this line must be parallel with this or this till it intersect with the vertical. Now complete this by drawing a line parallel to the base of the front view. So here you will get a one surface over here, and this is the required surface. So remove all the unnecessary portions, so you will get the required surface over here. Now coming to the next feature, that is slot. When you see from the top, there is a slot. Material is removed from the front end. This is the front end of the object in the top view, and here it will appear as a rectangle. So we need to remove material in such a way that it will be at the center. So 25, 25, 25. So 25 is a box at the center, and it has a depth of 15 mm. So let's start with the step-by-step approach. First, plot the required points at a gap of 25 mm. 25, you will get first point, again 25, you will get another point, and again 25, you will get a third point. Now through these 2 points, now the depth is given 15. So you have to draw a line 15 mm. And these lines must be parallel to this line. From both the points, you draw a line. Now join this. Now this line must be parallel with this. Now draw vertical lines parallel to any vertical line from these 2 points, and remove unnecessary lines now. And now through this corner, draw vertical line and join these points. See, this line must be parallel to this, and this line must be parallel to this or this. Now if you see from the front, so you'll see 3 rectangles at the bottom, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. After this surface, you will find this surface having a slope and then the horizontal. So slope and the horizontal. When you see from the top, this is your first rectangle over here. This is your second slope, and then this is the surface and slot at the center from the front. This is your final drawing, isometric view with overall dimensions. I hope the idea is clear to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.